I am starting off my vlog in a whole new place. As you can see, today I'm at Desonge here in Bandra. They are hosting me for a hair wash and blow dry. I literally finished the last vlog 30 minutes ago. Changed my clothes, finished a few errands around the house, looked after Raphael a little bit, ran out the door to make it in time for my appointment. I am already wearing the little robe they gave me, and now we're about to go take a hair. We're about to go? I'm about to go. Nobody's coming with me. We're about to go onto the chair, is what I was going to say, and get me a hair wash and my hairstyle. And we have an event to go to after this, which I'm excited for. This is my natural hair.
Okay. I think
I'm on like day 4, which is why I was like, I need the wash.
Okay. So then I think we better do a tone that will stay longer also.
Yeah?
That will give you like overall fuller also.
But I don't like tight curls.
Oh,
I like to do the comb out after I do the...
Yes, we get it. We make this very loose, like a beach wave like
Okay.
that.
Will it last well?
Yeah, then if it's tighter, it will last longer. If it's looser, then it will like open up faster.
Okay.
So we'll start with the wash first.
Sure. I like the way you're using the tong. You're not like rotating it. You're just rolling it.
Yes.
I tend to do it the other way. I used to do it like this and I completely forgot about this technique. I should go back to it.
Yeah, this is better actually. Instead of just rolling, if you just roll like that,
Yeah.
it's a little bit different.
I feel like it's easier to do somebody else's hair now, but like, because when I do mine,
Yes.
it's easier for me as a righty. It's easier for me to go ahead and do it this side, but when I go to my right,
Yes. Yeah, it will be like that, always like that. Even for us also, one side is always like
easier.
better. Yeah.
Because when I come to my right, I have to hold it the other way.
That's true.
So it gets like my hand is either hurting or I'm doing it all wrong.
I know.
It can be very confusing.
It's not easy to do it like ourselves.
Yeah, I used to be very good at working with tongs, and then I started using them less. I switched to the Airwrap, and once I switched to the Airwrap, I think I've forgotten how to use my phone.
Maybe because that's just automatic roll, no?
Yeah, even with that, the way you move it has to change.
That's
because
true,
the
that's
hand thing. But I've completely forgotten how to use my tongs since I've switched. I need to give myself a little bit more practice at it.
Yes. If you don't do it like often, then you forgot actually.
Yeah, that's true.
It's just need to be like practice and it will come back again.
But that's like makeup also, right? The more often you do it, the better it will be. The easier and quicker also.
That's true.
I used to never make sections with my hair earlier. Then once I started working in sections, my hair started getting better. But doing my hair is a work in progress. I feel like I'm never truly happy when I do my own hair.
Oh yeah, that's true. Because you are not like trained also, and doing yourself is also not easy at all.
Yeah. I can do my own makeup in my sleep also. But when it comes to hair, wow,
Yes.
I love what you've done. It's looking so nice.
Yeah.
It's looking really nice. What hairspray did you use on me?
I use the Elnett first, the L'Oreal one.
Oh, that one. Yeah.
And then this is Staff only, yes. This is a little bit stronger one.
It's a whole
Yes.
5.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, because the Elnett one, I think all of us have used.
This is very soft. That's why before you do, just to make your hair a little bit like
Correct.
dry.
But I like the short scarf products because I started using the mousse sometime back as well. And that's giving me very good hold.
Yes. It's strong and it gives you nice hold only. So for those who have like your hair is straight only.
Yeah.
So you need something like this.
But my hair doesn't hold any style easily. So even when I use the Airwrap, because there's no heat, I have to use a spray or a mousse.
That's true.
Even with these tongs, if these last 3 days, I'm happy. My hairstyles usually don't last.
Yes.
But when I do tongs, they last.
Oh, okay.
Like
It will open up a little bit. You not be your natural straight. You still get a little bit of movement on you.
Yeah, I just like that movement.
Yes.
I don't like the tight curls. I think that little movement makes it look nice. Thank
This
you.
is nice.
This is
like a big
fantastic.
wave like that.
Yeah.
It's not take away your
No, it's
length
lovely.
also.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. she's gone. So
She wanted me to say my first impressions with pain and serum, and I hadn't tried it and she Anika is showing me what I'm supposed to be doing.
yeah. So
But I'm supposed to touch a number? Like, is that... Listen, me in sport in any case is a fail. उसके ऊपर मुझसे ये करवा रहे हो. I'm going to suck. Oh dear. Yeah. The only way I'm getting it. Do I have to bounce it or should I do it? No, you have to bounce it. Oops. Hi, I'm back home and I've changed into a nightie. By the way, I keep getting asked about these nighties. These are my late nanny's nighties and I had about 3 or 4 of them and I just got 4 more from her cupboard when my mom was at her place to clear things up the other day. I just feel really lucky to kind of get this from her. I feel like I've said before, they make me feel like she's meeting Raphael like this. You know what I mean? I've come home to a very sweet surprise. I've received this little gift hamper from a school friend of mine. She messaged me about sending something over. I just didn't know what. And it's such a pretty, well put together hamper. She wanted to come and see Rafa last week, but then some work stuff came up for her, and then she wanted to come this week, but this week is jam-packed for me. And so I told her, can we meet after Eid, which is next week, and she's traveling, so she's gonna come back and meet me then. But she was like, listen, in the meanwhile, I got something for him, can I send that over? And so I have it here. This is so, like, I almost don't feel like opening it because it's so nicely put together. But let's go ahead and do it together. Appa is with his Appa right now. Let's open things one by one. Literally everything has been wrapped individually, which is so cute. I see a little romper or something over here. I want to know where she got this done from because it's been done so nicely. Very neat and super personalized. It's customized. I'm gonna call her and say thank you to her. I feel like there's a lot of effort that's gone into this. It says R and Raphael. This is so cute. I already love this so much. And I love that it's pink. Boys can wear pink. Start them off with that early. Oh, a little bib that says eat, sleep, repeat. So cute. Next over here we've got literally me sitting here with my makeup and hair and glam, but in a nightie. Miss Nibbles has been coming and poking her nose around this hamper because of the paper shavings. Paper shavings really excite her. She likes anything that's messy to make it more messy. Oh my god! That is so sweet. Wait, are you serious? She got everything customized? It's his name. Are you looking at this? It's so cute. There's like letters. It's all his name spelled. It's his name spelled out basically. This is so sweet. It's a little dinosaur which I love. Oh my god, different dinosaurs, more dinosaurs. An egg hatching dinosaur. This is so cute. It needs to go round and round for me to open it, which is going to take me some time, but I basically get the gist that it's his name. And then there's more. She's gone like all out of her way, man. A sensory soft book. This is something over here. Sensory books are huge and I actually had been making it some online. This one is from GWD Kids. That's so nice. It's basically a clock book which has like a lot of colors inside, but it's sensory because it's not like a Kadak book. That's so nice. Listen, I'm gonna call her and say thank you to her. There's a lot of thought and effort that's gone into this. Even if she's gotten it done from some professional gift wrapper, which I'm sure she has, I really appreciate this. Really, truly. I feel like it's the thought more than anything else that counts, truly. And then over here, we've got a Good Night World Fun with Learning bedtime story, also from the same brand. Aww, another sensory book. That is so cute. Oh my god. I'm gonna call and say thank you to her. I don't think she watches my vlogs, so there's no point in saying thank you here. Just in case, thanks Ruchi, but follow and say thank you. I also want to have lunch, so I asked Farhan to get lunch taken out. I can never bring myself to eat properly or eat at all actually at events. I literally had one bite of a prawn today at the event, that also while leaving because the smell was amazing. I have this weird fear, not fear, but it's like this thing that if I eat something, the garlic bread is not what I want at an event while interacting with people, and there's usually loud music, so you land up going closer to talk to people, and then I don't want to have like onion garlic bread while talking to people. So I never land up eating at events. So I want to eat food because I'm like super. Show them the box. Look at what Namu Masi has got for Rafa. Look at what she's got. Look at what Namra's got. Oh my god. Wait, it actually goes up and down the duck?
Yeah.
Are you serious? This Nibbles is going to trip over everything before Rafa. And that's so cute. Are you serious? Hey, I had something like this with cars when I was younger. ऐसे मुझे ये track देख के याद आ रहा है. Little duckies are gonna go up and down. My god. Hi, good morning. I am in one of my nanny's other nighties. I've already showered, bathed. Literally half my day is over. I'm up since 6 a.m. I've got most of my glam out of the way. Let me show you really quick. And I haven't got my lipstick on, but I wanted to show you something specific. You know, usually how I have that makeup brush holder thing that has the cover and all that. मैंने हटा दिया यहाँ से. That's why I can't show it to you right now. I've moved that and moved to this system. The issue I was facing with that was that the brushes would obviously not stay straight all the time, and so putting it down meant constantly pushing the brushes in. It was becoming a little bit of a tedious process, and invariably वो खुले रह जाते थे half the time, which obviously defeats the purpose of keeping them covered. What I have over here instead, one sec, Rafa's crying. He's fine. He's just in need and थोड़ी सी चिड़चिड़ चल रही है. He's with Jerry right now. What I was saying was the new system that I adopted over here are basically I have this huge basket that has a lid with it over here. I picked this up from IKEA if you remember. I will go ahead and leave my IKEA haul linked for you so that you know which video I'm talking about. I bought lots of boxes with lids in different sizes. This one is really nice and big, which is great because I literally called for 2 more sets of brushes from the warehouse the other day. So all my face brushes are in that and all my eye brushes are in this. This is not IKEA. Sorry, but I don't know where this is from. This is just some random basket I had from before. And then this goes in. So everything is constantly and very easily secure. I also, because I've kept the eyes and the face brushes separately, it's easy for me to navigate and pick out exactly what I want, when and how. You know what I mean? It's just a lot easier as opposed to, like, for example, you see how the pencils are constantly going in different directions. Usko band karne ke liye I would always have to spend time pushing them together. And I know it sounds like a really dumb thing, like just press them together, but the brushes are all different sizes, widths, densities. Sometimes when you're pushing the glass thing down and one brush ka chut jata hai, wo brush ka bristle teda ho jata hai. I don't know. It just seemed like, oh god, I'm gonna either harm my brushes or leave them out in the open, which is worse because I don't want them to be open. And this seemed like a great new organization tool, organization method to have everything. And you know what? Makeup looks great. What looks weird when there's no lipstick on? I have not got my lipstick on because I'm yet to change. I've got my outfits here. Outfit, pant and shirt. What are we doing today? There is a business journalist that you may have heard of by the name of Avni Raja. She has a new podcast coming up. Her and the network essentially have a new podcast coming up, and they invited me to come on board and be a guest for one of the episodes, talking about business, women in leadership, verified D2C journey, just business, finances, things like that. And I'm going to be going to Andheri today to film that. So yeah, I need to be out of the house in like the next hour-ish. It's only about 50 minutes. Realistically 50 minutes with traffic. It's 11:42 at the moment. I should be out of the house. I'll leave a little bit early. I prefer to be early. I think I'll get out of the house by 12 to be on the safe side. So I just need to change. Wear my lipstick. They've told me there is parking over there. So, because otherwise I was just going to take an Uber. But I will now drive and we'll get going. I don't think I will ever get over 26 Jan on my lips, and I'm wearing it with, I think it's Soar. My MAC lip liners literally don't have the text anymore on it because I think they're just so old. Soar, yeah, Soar. I have like 3 Soars. Yeah. I'm all dressed up. What do you think of my OOTD? I think I look very chic, and I hope that the entire outfit is visible when I go, because it's got like this whole, not lawyer, but like business chic vibe going. I'm totally going to repeat this outfit to some event at some point. I know it. By the way, I have a challenge I want to talk about with you, but we'll talk about that later because I don't want to be late. I'll talk about it with you once I'm back home, I guess. Testing for audio. Okay, I just realized I don't have to talk to you only once I'm back home, because I got my setup in place for the car like I used to have. I used to have a much smaller camera, and I think that the grip was just better at the time. I'm on a different grip right now, but I have switched to my teeny tiny camera to be able to talk to you while driving. Don't worry, I am not going to be looking into the camera unless I'm in a traffic jam, which happens a lot in Bombay these days, or I'm at a signal. So I've been driving since I was 18 and I'm turning 34 in June 2025. So I have been driving for a long time, and alhamdulillah, I don't want to say anything and jinx it, but like, let's just say I know I'm a good driver, alhamdulillah. I wanted to tell you something at home, right? Which is what I said, okay, I'm going to get late if I don't leave now, kind of a thing. I want to do this challenge that I've got my head set on. It's been playing on my mind for a little while, and it kind of became even more obvious that I should do this when I sat to really organize my wardrobe. When I was organizing my wardrobe while settling into the new house, what I really want to do is do like 100-day not repeating my outfits challenge. Now, I'm not saying it's a bad thing to repeat your outfits, because God knows I'm an outfit repeater. I literally just told you I was going to repeat this exact outfit for an event later at some point. But I'm coming from the place of the fact that I don't land up wearing all of my clothes in my wardrobe. Like, I forget about what I have. And I feel like it might be a good idea to do that from the point of view of making sure I'm actually wearing all my clothes. Because while I do this 100-day challenge, it will also be a no shopping phase, which I'm already in, to be honest. I've told myself I don't need any more clothes. I don't have space for any more clothes. I do still go and browse on a couple of apps just to give myself a little bit of that little dopamine push that I like, but I have not checked out anywhere. Also, right now, I'm tight on funds, so I must not indulge in things that are not required. Which also brings me to, remember I was telling you guys that I wanted that small camera. I'm out of it. I've snapped out of it. Even though I'd love to have it, I'm not getting it for myself because it is not in need right now. I have this small camera and I should just use this as opposed to getting yet another gadget. I love gadgets. I love tech. Like, I think it excites me more than bags. I can't believe I'm like, actually no, I can believe I'm saying it out loud. I love my tech. I love my tech things. Let's just put it like that. I'm listening to a podcast right now and I'm driving to Andheri. So tell me your thoughts on this outfit 100-day thing. And I'm going to catch up with you perhaps from the studio. I don't know if I'm going to catch up with you at the studio, but I'm gonna probably try and get you some kind of BTS from the studio. Okay, bye! Bye now! Hello! I'm on my way back home. We had a good time. I recorded not one but two podcasts actually. One was the one I was intended and planned to do over there, and then there was another one that the network handles, which is like a quicker 10-15 minute only audio recording. So I knocked that one off as well. This is the same network, by the way, that handles my podcast. We've been having conversations about season 2. It's just a bandwidth issue, at least at my end, because I want to make sure that I have the time to commit to a whole season. A season is typically, last season was 29 episodes. A season is minimum at least 15 episodes, maybe 20. That's what we're talking about for season 2. With season 1, as you may have seen, it wasn't as heavy on video. Like, not all the episodes are uploaded here on YouTube. I'll definitely leave a link into season 1 over here for you if you want to watch them on YouTube. But you can hear them on audio on all the audio streaming platforms. Now with season 2, we're going video heavy, which is what I wanted to do for season 1 as well, to be honest. But now everyone believes me and is like, okay, there's proof in this pudding. So hopefully that's what you'll get. I don't think it'll happen before the mid of the year, maybe second half of the year. Just coming from the point of view of how I want everything to be like a lot more structured, planned, high production value. Want to level up obviously from what we did in season 1. Yeah, that's what we were talking about after both the recordings. And I'm gonna be doing some homework, for lack of any other way of putting it, on how I envision for season 2 to be. I want to make that list and send that over to them to see how we can flesh it out further and just bring it to life, really. Rafa is doing very well at home. I was chatting with his appa, with my husband, with Jerry, and I like staying with his appa. And he's doing well. My mom came and took him up for some time as well. I assume he's still on top, or maybe he's gone back down by now. I had lunch at the office itself. They ordered some rolls. I had a butter chicken roll, and yeah, now I'm on my way back home. It is 4:51 p.m. Google Maps says I should be home in the next 30 minutes, inshallah. Hopefully not later. So I get some time to rest, to change, and to hang with Raf, to hang with G, and then of course to Iftari on top with the fam. Rafa's Dada Daddy have come home. Look what they got him. I love my Dadu Daddy romper. Hi, good morning. It is Friday around 8:30. Filhal, though I have taken a shower, but I had the scariest start to my day ever. I cannot believe that the kind of things that were running through my mind. Let me tell you exactly what happened. So Jerry and I, yes, your appa, Jerry and I have a baby monitor hooked to his crib with which we can always see what's happening. I'm just kind of putting it up on my phone to show you what I'm talking about. And that way, even though he's in the same room, because it's a cot, we can't see his face properly, so we can't tell whether he's in active sleep or, just kind of waking up or what it is. So I woke up and like I do every morning, I looked at my phone. Both of us have our phones running with the active monitor all night next to each of our bedsides. And I see a figurine inside the cot instead of my son. And it's grayscale, it's black and white. I'm not about to show it to you, there's color in it because the curtains are open now. And I can't quite make out what it is because it's grayscale. This is what I'm talking about. And imagine this now in grayscale. Yeah, basically. And I freaked the shit out. I was like, what is inside Raphael's cot? I got up, I ran to the cot. It's like 4 steps, but I ran to it. You're laughing like you understand. And I was like, oh my god, this is the stuffed toy from the Raphael's garden, a gift he had received some time back. And Jerry's just trying to freak me out. I came out and I was like, Jerry, why have you put this version of Hugsy inside the pot? And he's laughing. He's just laughing. He's like, it wasn't my idea, it was Raphael's idea to scare you today. And I was like, yeah, first of all, mission accomplished. Second of all, it was not Raphael's idea. I was like, are you serious? I'm telling you the scare I got when I saw that figure, that shape, and I couldn't make out what it was. I thought nibbles had gone on and sat on his face, and that was best case scenario thought that came to my mind. And I was like, I think I not even 4 steps. I think I just sprung next to the cot. Like I just launched myself at the cot next to it. And he's laughing. He's like, ha ha ha, we got you. Yes, You got me. I had a scare. I did not need to wake up with such a scare, but I woke up with a scare. I've already taken a shower, but I'm in another night because today is a stay at home all day. I am going to be editing today. I haven't had the chance to edit much. I've only edited bits and parts of different vlogs and vertical content this week. I absolutely 100% want to sit and finish at least 1 or 2 vlogs that I can edit and post. This week has just been busy. And नाश्ता तैयार है क्या? I've been having uttapa for breakfast. हाँ तैयार. I've been having uttapa for breakfast. I've also been, believe it or not, things I've never done for me, I'm doing for this boy because I know he'll get it through my milk. I'm having milk, I'm having haldi wala doodh, I'm having dry fruits wala doodh, mashallah. And because all I am hearing about and reading about is how anything and everything I eat will help him. And so I'm like, खुद नहीं करना है, कभी खुद के लिए तो नहीं किया है, but इसके लिए करेंगे, इसके लिए करेंगे, no? आपके लिए करेंगे. This is him over here in his swinger chair from Nuna. It's the Leaf Grove, just enjoying, chilling, having a nice morning. You can hear the birds. I'm sure you can hear them here over also, and just having a nice slow morning. He was with his appa all this time. मैं तो सिर्फ 10 मिनट पहले निकली हूँ. Morning shift is always appa. And actually we've been doing this thing since the last 5-6 days. We've been doing this thing where we're taking one night him, one night me, one night him, one night me. But जिसका भी night हो उठ के इसको फील करने के लिए दूसरा जन तो उठ ही जाता है because उन्हीं की आवाज़ से या तो हम उठ जाते हैं या जिस कंपनी देने के लिए मैं बैठ जाती हूँ. It's just one of those things. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, my Shona. Yes, my Shona. Ravu, Babu, my Shona. Who's my Shona, Babu? Who is Mama Shonu, Babu? Who is Mama Shonu, Babu? Yes, my darling, you're looking at the camera. Is that what you're looking at? Okay, now you're not. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Where are you trying to get up and go to? My God, he lifts his butt up and his head up. Where you want to go? Not working, it's not working, it's not working. I'm so stupid. Basically, and I'm just gonna try to make this technical thing a little bit short. There's a USB-C on my camera and there's a round jack, you know, like the phones used to have. I've been putting it inside the USB-C thinking the camera will work in both ways because that's what I found an extender for. Without the extender, it's not sitting on my camera because there's a hangy thingy design over there and it's not working. So now I need to find an extender for the round jack. Anyway, I need to try out this chicken really quickly. We've tried a new chicken recipe today for the for the wings because we're sending iftari to all the flats in the building. Everyone takes turns sending things to each other's house through Ramzan, and today is the last Ramzan. And I woke up a little bit late on this because I've been preoccupied with sending everyone their baby bags and stuff like that. But I also wanted to send iftari. So I need to do a quick taste test to see whether it's nice so that we can smell to achhi hai. Send it out. Malti, हल्का कच्चा रह गया है कुछ पार्ट्स में, लेकिन थोड़ा कच्चा.
अच्छा ना?
पूरा पका नहीं है.
इसको ढक्कन मार के पकाना.
मसाला वाइज भीगा वाइज सही है, लेकिन कच्चा है थोड़ा. यानी चिकन अंदर का पक गया है लेकिन मसाला नहीं पका है बाहर का.
ये चटनी चाहिए?
कर दो सेफ साइड. तुम सजेस्ट करते हो ना कि साथ में जाएगा. Mami Jan, Raphael's Mami Jan is getting her Eid content 1 day in advance. Guys, go follow Sana Khan Chashmawala on Instagram. I'm making her do more content on Instagram now that I'm living in the same building. Hi, just coming on here to end this vlog. It is officially Chandra, but also question mark because we haven't seen it, but the messages are coming in. I have had a rather overwhelming last 1 hour since coming down from Mama's house. The last 1 hour has been a crying baby, witching hour, trying to feed him and getting down to sleep. Thank God I have help because Barukala stepped in when I was starting to feel overwhelmed. Having someone around who is so experienced is a blessing in disguise. I can't even tell you how grateful I am for every little bit of help. I told you I was going to do a haul of some sort in this video, but clearly I'm not. I'm tired. I'm really physically tired. And that leg pain and hip pain of mine that's been going on since the delivery is really at it today. And my back is really hurting also, in fact, my lower back. Rafa's asleep. I'm going to go sleep as well. We posted his face reveal video today on YouTube. So if you were one of the people who left the very kind comments, thank you so much. I have been reading them, Jerry's been reading them, and we really appreciate every one of you. We knew this was a community we could count on, no matter what. I love you, gotta get the door. I'll see you tomorrow. Eid vlog.